Backing up your Exodus wallet is a crucial step in securing your cryptocurrency investments. To start, it is essential to understand that Exodus is a software wallet that allows you to store, send, and receive various cryptocurrencies. First, you need to access your Exodus wallet and navigate to the backup section. This is typically found in the settings or wallet menu. Once you are in the backup section, you will be prompted to create a backup of your wallet. Exodus uses a 12-word recovery seed phrase to back up and restore your wallet. This seed phrase is a list of 12 words that is used to regenerate your wallet and all associated private keys. It is crucial to keep this seed phrase safe and secure, as it can be used to access your wallet and funds. To create a backup, follow these steps. Go to the backup section and click on the backup wallet option. Exodus will then display your 12-word recovery seed phrase. Write down this seed phrase and store it in a safe and secure location, such as a fireproof safe or a safe deposit box. It is also recommended to create multiple copies of your seed phrase and store them in different locations. This will ensure that you have access to your wallet and funds even if one of the copies is lost or destroyed. In addition to creating a backup, it is also essential to keep your Exodus wallet and computer up to date with the latest security patches and updates. This will help protect your wallet and funds from potential security threats. In the event that you need to restore your Exodus wallet, you can use the 12-word recovery seed phrase to regenerate your wallet and access your funds. To do this, simply download and install the Exodus wallet software, and then enter your seed phrase when prompted. In conclusion, backing up your Exodus wallet is a straightforward process that involves creating a 12-word recovery seed phrase and storing it in a safe and secure location. By following these steps and best practices, you can help ensure the security and integrity of your cryptocurrency investments. Remember to always keep your seed phrase safe and secure, and to never share it with anyone.